Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to jump on into a quick video for you guys. So unboxing. I am so happy that I actually bought this. So it's not sponsored or anything. I had actually purchased this with my own money. But how I found it was actually, I'm sure you probably guys seen it on TV. You can go ahead, you can go to their website. I will have it in the description down below. You can go purchase your own. They do have different colors in it. But yes, let's get into the video, y'all. So I have, this is the Athena Club. Sorry. And so I'm going to open it for you guys. So in it, it says package with self-care. And this is what it looks like. So it comes like this, you guys. Alright. So so this is a razor. I've always been looking for a razor that, that won't leave bumps, or that, will just, go smoothly on to get rid of all the hair and stuff like that. So I found this, like I stated, on I seen the commercial on TV, and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead, let me try it out. So I just got mine, guys. So it comes in this, like this, okay. And you do have they do have like packages, so you can actually get, it only comes with one razor. See, and it comes with, so it only comes with this, but you can order more if you would like to your order, or you can have them send it to you however often you would like. So that's, fine. So it comes like this, and so it comes with this. You can actually, you just stick it like like in your shower or wherever you would like. You can just stick that on. And then this is a razor, y'all. Look how pretty it is. So I got the rose gold, but they do have different colors that you can buy. I believe purple, white, I think black, but you can just check whichever color you want. But yeah, I got in with this one, and it already comes with the head. Can't wait to try it, to let you guys know how I actually like it. And then yeah, and then this just sits, however. So once you put it on there, this just attaches it right here, okay. Then it's good to go. So yeah, that's that. And then I have purchased, you don't have to, but I included some shaving cream with it. So this one I actually have, this is the Cloud Shave Foam. So this comes with the aloe and the oak contract. So I added this to it as well. You can choose whichever one you want. I just happen to choose this one. You don't have to at all if you don't want to. But yeah. And then this one's a 6.7 ounce. So yeah, can't wait to try this. And it also says it's a natural fragrance, and it's foam, cloud texture, moisturizing, and smooth. So can't wait to try this with it. But yeah, I think I'm going to do another. So I'm happy I actually have another one of these, so I can switch it out when I get done. But yeah, and then, I mean, if you don't want to hang it or anything, you just want to keep it in this, or you can just use this for something else. I probably will, but but yeah, it comes into this cute thing, and then it even shows you like on the back of it, and it says better made simple. So yeah, So that is that, guys. And I cannot wait to try this razor, y'all. And I was telling my husband that I wanted to find one because the ones that I did have were like the disposable ones. But I don't know, for some reason I don't think that it got the job done. So I'm just hoping that this one does. You know, and I can't wait to try it out and give you guys my honest opinion on it, along with the shaving cream as well. So that is that, guys. I do hope you have I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below, show your girls some love, and I will see you guys in my next video.